Buyers and sellers took a summer break during July. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. There are about 400 fewer homes for sale during July compared with this time last year. Fewer choices didn't drive up prices. In fact, prices were down for the second month in a row and down from July 2025. Sales were down compared with June and with last July. Let's take a closer look, starting with the 880 corridor. Fewer homes for sale almost everywhere. Oakland down more than 30% with 320 for sale. San Leandro and San Lorenzo both down more than 40%. Prices were mixed. Big increase in Albany, up 25% to 1.37. Fremont down more than 10%, though still north of 1.65. Sales were also mixed. Alameda up more than 30% with 37 sold. Go south on 880 and you find sales down in Castro Valley and Hayward, yet virtually unchanged in Fremont. West Contra Costa County, it's up next. Homes for sale down almost everywhere. Pinole, Richmond, San Pablo, all more than 40%. Prices mixed. El Sobrante and Pinole both up, while Richmond and San Pablo both down slightly. Home sales, as with inventory, down almost everywhere. Hercules had 5 sales, Richmond down more than 30% with 36 sold. Now we're in central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale down. Clayton is the exception with 34 in the market. Pleasant Hill down almost 50%. Martinez and Walnut Creek both down more than 25%. Prices were mixed. Clayton and Pleasant Hill both down more than 10%, yet still slightly more than $1 million. Martinez up at 807 and Walnut Creek just slightly up. Sales mixed. Clayton, Concord, Pleasant Hill all just slightly up. Walnut Creek had 37 sales down almost 20%. Next up, La Miranda. Inventory was down everywhere. Moraga, 13 for sale, down 35%. Prices were mixed. Lafayette at 1.84 was down more than 15%. Moraga and Orinda both up slightly. Sales were mostly down. Moraga just 7 homes sold. The Tri-Valley, that's where we are next. Homes for sale, mostly down. Alamo had 25, down almost 40%. Pleasanton down with 83 for sale. Dublin stands out with 74 homes on the market, up 40%. Prices mixed. Alamo down 10% to 2.83. Pleasanton and San Ramon also down, while Dublin at 1.7 up 15%. Sales were mostly down. Dublin and Livermore both down more than 10%, and Pleasanton 41 sold, down almost 30%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Inventory down almost everywhere. Antioch had 166 on the market, down almost 20%. Brentwood and Discovery Bay also way down. Pittsburgh stands out with more than 100 homes for sale. Prices down almost everywhere. Brentwood at 763. Antioch is the exception, up slightly to 600. Sales were mostly up. Antioch had 71, Brentwood 76. Last thought. There are about 130 fewer pending sales during July compared with this time last year. This summer break could mean an early start to the slower fall real estate season. We'll see you next month.